Hello everyone, so now we are going to learn how to make a donut in Illustrator. So let's delete it so that I could make it from the start. So first I will go over here and select the ellipse tool and let's create a circle over here like so. After that I will go to Effect, 3D and Revolve. Okay, so 3D Revolve is a very advanced topic and I will be covering it in detail in the advanced course. But for now I thought you would know what it does and how fun it is. So this is the 3D revolve options. Once you create an object, this shows you the 3D options. You can even revolve it if you want. And there is the offset. You can click on it and make the hole over here a little bigger. Like this. You can adjust it whatever the way you like. You can even see it from the bottom. Let's keep it like this. And you can also select the shading. So there is no shading, then diffuse shading and plastic shading. So let's make it diffuse, I guess, or I guess plastic is all right. And when you're done, simply hit OK. And now if I make the circle bigger, you will see that my donut is getting bigger. And if you want to edit it, you have to go to Windows and click on Appearance. So we will get this appearance panel. Let's dock it over here. Simply click on it and over here you will see 3D revolve options. So click on it and now you can edit it. So I can edit the direction if I want, like this. I guess this is all right. And simply hit OK. I can even change the color if I want. So let's make a brownish kind of orangish kind of donut. This is yellow. We can even make it blue. Totally up to you. So basically this is how you can use 3D revolve to create a donut in Illustrator. You can make 3D revolve to make all kind of things in Illustrator, but that is a little advanced for you right now, and we will cover it in the advanced course. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial.